Hey guys, Alien here from AI Adventures. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. This phone, it's the global version. This has 128 GB. This is the 128 GB model. It has SD expandable storage. You can go up to 256 GB with the SD card. This phone has a Snapdragon 845 processor. It has a 4000 milliamp battery. It doesn't have NFC, which means you can't use Android Pay or anything like that on it. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM. It has a Qualcomm quick charge 3.0. It also has a liquid cooling system inside it. And you get all of this you get a 20 megapixel front-facing camera and a 12 megapixel rear-facing camera with a bezel-less 6.18 inch display, and you get all of this in just £329. The prices vary from $329 to $359. The price really depends on where you buy it from, but cause I bought it on Black Friday sale, I got it for £299. This is the graphite black color. So yeah, this is a bit of the box. It's got a mixed color with black and yellow. The yellow and the black, they look really good together. So now I am going to open the box. Not sure if I can really open it with this. I've got a little cut in the side here. I'll open from there. When you it does have plastic, which is in all of them. So okay, the plastic is off, and it's time to open the box. I'm very excited to see what it's like. Okay, so once you open the box, the first thing you get is the paper, the little pouch. Inside here, you get a little starter guide on the phone. This is the user guide, like where everything is and how everything works. Inside the box, they also give you a soft clear case. That's a very useful thing for like protection on the phone. And then you have the phone, Pocophone F1. This is what it is. I'm just going to set that aside a minute. And here you have your the adapter, the plug adapter. This isn't the UK plug, but you can always buy adapters for it. And inside you have the USB type C cable, as you can see. Yeah, and then inside here you also are given the SD tray tool, not the SD SIM tray tool. So that's everything that comes in the box. And back to the phone, Pocophone F1. So as I said, this is the bezel-less 6.18 inch display. It has dual camera in the back. It also has the finger sensor. So you can, there's a tab here to pull off the protector from the camera. You also had this plastic. For now, I'm just going to leave it on. In the front, you get this Pocophone F1 starter. Not starter, but it gives you a list of specs, and at the bottom it says made by Xiaomi. Couldn't see it there, but yeah. It has the dual front camera too. Well, one of them is the front-facing camera. The other is probably the IR face unlock. I'm trying to peel it off, but I haven't. Okay, got it. The display, it's very, very nice looking. There is a slight bezel at the bottom, you can see. So yeah, it doesn't have the glossy touch that you get in today's phones. But this is a very good good quality phone. What you get usually out of £1,000 in a phone, you can get in this for just that much money of $329. I'm gonna turn it on now. I was pressing the volume button. It might need to be charged. Oh no, it's charged already. The display, it's an IPS LCD display. So I'm gonna wait for it to turn on. But the display, as you see, this is what it's like. So that's the Pocophone F1. If you that's the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.